fleet looks like this, people pay attention. At JH Design, we specialize in one thing, making your brand impossible to ignore. We're not just wrapping vehicles, we're rebuilding brand presence from the ground up. Logos, business cards, apparel, signage, and when it's time to scale, we bring it all together on your fleet. Most of our clients come to us because they've outgrown their current look, and they want something that actually reflects who they are now. Ehman Electric needed a full refresh, and we delivered exactly that, a unified, professional look across their entire fleet.
When I reached out to JH Design, I had an old logo that I really needed to be refurbished. I took that logo to them and wanted to build a trust, a partnership with somebody that could make it happen, make it pop, and make it really stand out. John from JH really made that happen for me. Thank you so much.
JH Design has been helping businesses build powerful visual brands for over 15 years, with more than 2,000 completed projects and a lead designer who brings over 25 years of experience to every job.
So at JH Design, I had an idea and John came through for me. He paid attention to everything that I desired and wanted and made it happen.
From concept to rollout, every fleet project starts with strategy. We study the business, design wraps that demand attention, and print on top premium 3M and Avery materials. And with the only 3M and Avery certified install team on the Treasure Coast, we guarantee a level of precision no one else can match. We move efficiently, minimize downtime, and make sure your fleet doesn't just look great, but it performs as a moving billboard everywhere it goes. It starts with strategy. We map every panel and plan for full coverage. We print on premium 3M and Avery vinyl, laminate for durability, and prep each vehicle in detail. Our certified installers remove hardware, heat and stretch the film around contours, and seal every surface with precision. The result? No bubbles, no wrinkles, just a flawless fleet built to move. If you're looking for the right team on the Treasure Coast to rebrand and wrap your entire fleet, you're looking at us. From design to installation, JH Design delivers quality, speed, and attention to every detail. Give us a call today and let's discuss your next project.